In the hustle and bustle of life, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But with simple, mindful practices, we can bring balance and calm back into our lives. Let's explore some powerful tools for reducing stress, managing anxiety, and nurturing our mental well-being. Deep breathing is one of the quickest ways to activate the body's relaxation response. Let's start with a simple technique, the 4-7-8 breathing method. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. Visualization can help reduce anxiety by allowing us to imagine a safe, peaceful place. Close your eyes and picture yourself in a place where you feel most at ease. Feel the calm embrace of this space and allow yourself to fully unwind as you visualize each detail. Immerse yourself in the piece. Progressive muscle relaxation, or PMR, is a technique where you tense and then release different muscle groups to alleviate physical tension and stress. Start with your toes. Squeeze them tightly, hold for a few seconds, then release. Move upwards to your legs, abdomen, chest, arms, and finally, your face. With each release, feel the tension melt away. Sometimes a simple walk in nature or some light movement can help clear the mind and reduce anxiety. Try to stay present by focusing on your surroundings, the rustling of the leaves, the sound of birds chirping, or the feel of the ground beneath your feet. Gratitude is a powerful tool in managing stress and boosting mental well-being. Reflecting on the positive aspects of your day can shift your focus away from anxiety. Even on difficult days, try to find small moments of gratitude. It can be as simple as the warmth of a cup of tea or a smile from a friend. Now let's close with a few affirmations. Repeat these silently or aloud. I am enough. I am at peace. I am in control of my thoughts. Allow these affirmations to sink deep into your being, bringing you peace and balance. These simple, mindful practices are just the beginning of your journey toward reducing stress and promoting mental well-being. Make time each day to nurture your mind, body, and spirit. Take a deep breath. You've got this. Thank you for watching. Remember to prioritize your mental health every day.